Hello everyone, myself Muskan Attar. I'm going to present on the topic named as Federal Aviation Administration Airworthiness Directives. So basically, we are going to learn about the Boeing 737 fuel tank safety check. So let's see what was the problem in the fuel tanks in the further slides. Slide, as you can see that some Boeing 737 aircrafts were found to have dust, dirt or blockage in their fuel tank vents. Why is it bad? The fuel tank needs to breathe air, has to flow in and out freely. If it can't pressure builds up and drops to down. This can damage the tank or even fuel, causes fuel vapors to catch fire. So, which aeroplane was affected? As I have told earlier, the Boeing 737-800, 737-900 and 737-900 ER series were affected. What need to be done? Mechanics must inspect the vents and the valves. If dirty or blocked, clean and replace them. This must be done within 5 years or 6,000 flights. Why is this important? Because fuel vapors are very flammable and this helps prevent damage, dangerous accidents. What all are the safety practices in handling fuel system hazards? So what I mean is like how to stay safe while working around the fuel. So real life safety tips when working with fuel is, why is it risky? Its vapor can catch fire from even a small spark. Leftover fuel can damage plane's part if not handled carefully. It would cause fire or harm people's health. Why do we stay safe, or how do we stay safe? So basically, we can first do things like stop static electricity, always connect the aircraft to the ground before working so no sparks happens. The other option is like use safe tools. You only use tools that can create spark, that cannot create spark. Wear safety gears, gloves that won't catch fire, eye protections like goggles, a mask to avoid breathing in a fuel fumes. Let air in and use safe lights. Work in areas with good airflow. Use special lights that won't spark or explode. Dispose waste safely. Don't just throw away fuel or dirty parts. They must go into a specific bins for hazardous waste. Be ready in case something goes wrong. Keep a fire extinguisher, eye wash station and a cleanup kit nearby. Why to why do all this? The reason behind is to prevent fires and explosions, to keep maintenance workers safe, to follow official safety rules and keep the aircraft airworthy. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.